The Aqua Mop Fast Dry system is fast becoming the standard for healthcare mopping. The Aqua Mop system uses advanced Interclean microfiber and eliminates the manual handling and cross-contamination issues traditionally associated with mop and bucket cleaning. By cutting your mopping time by more than half, it is now easy to mop each and every floor with a fresh microfiber mop head and clean, uncontaminated solution. To maximise the productivity of your Aqua Mop, you will need to have your clean solution containers and clean microfiber mop heads ready for use on your cleaning trolley. At the start of your day, simply fill your Aqua Mop containers with your properly diluted cleaning solution. Replace the lid and press the air valve to seal them and place as many as you need on your trolley. By having your clean mopping solution with you at all times, trips back to the cleaner's room to empty and refill mop buckets are eliminated forever. Place as many Interclean Fast Dry microfiber mop covers as you require in your bucket on the front of the trolley. Make sure you have a separate mop for all bathroom and general areas that you will be mopping on this shift. Once you have arrived at your cleaning location, place the solution container into position by pressing down and turning it anti-clockwise. Open the valve by pulling up to allow solution to flow freely when the button on the top of the mop is pressed. When you are ready to mop your floor, take a fresh microfiber mop cover and place it Velcro side up on the floor. Place the Aqua Mop head down onto the cover with the 2 arrows and solution delivery tube facing forward. Press the button on top of the handle for 2 seconds to release some solution onto the floor. Move the front of the mop across the solution to moisten the front of the mop only. Moistening this front area only is important as the rear of the mop is used to dry the floor. Good mopping technique starts with outlining the area you are about to mop. In most cases, this will be the skirting and edges. Release more solution when necessary and continue mopping in a figure-8 pattern, allowing you to mop each area of floor a few times while only walking over the floor once. Do not apply any pressure to the mop, as the microfiber with the correct amount of moisture or solution will do the work for you. Keep your back straight and steer the mop using the grip on the handle, keeping the leading edge forward at all times. Different floors will require different mop covers. The Clean and Dry microfiber mop cover is suitable for all sealed and unsealed vinyl floors. This cover contains 2 microfiber cloths inside, which absorb solution from the outer microfibers away from the surface of the floor, allowing the floor to dry in the shortest period of time. Raised areas around the edge of the mop allow it to hover and glide over the floor with ease. They are available in 5 different colours for general, bathroom, kitchen, infectious and theatre areas. For non-slip and gritted floors, use the Scrub and Dry microfiber covers, as they are specifically made to scrub and pick up large amounts of solution without wearing out or tearing on the floor. These heavy-duty mop covers are also available in 4 colours for use on all hard-to-clean surfaces. By using minimal amounts of solution, your floor will be virtually dry in a few minutes, as opposed to 20 minutes using the old mop and bucket method. Remember, the more solution left behind on a floor, the more chance dirt and germs will reside on that floor when it eventually dries. Make sure you keep the leading, cleaning side of the mop forward in a figure-8 motion at all times, so that the rear end of the mop can be used for the drying process. It is the drying ability of the microfiber mop that picks up all dirt and germs within the solution. It is important this rear area of the mop never gets over wet. If the mop is used in a push-pull motion, the full area of microfiber will become wet and will not pick up to its full capacity. When you have finished mopping the floor and you need to discard the mop cover, this is easily done by placing your feet at either end of the mop cover and lifting the mop to release the cover. Place the Velcro frame across the mop to allow you to pick up the cover without bending over. Place the used cover in the bag on the back of your trolley for later laundering. Return the mop to the attached position on the trolley so it's ready for the next time you need to mop a floor. Available in 4 different colours, the Aqua Mop allows you to mop any size floor quickly and easily.